Winter's freezing temperatures can drain your car battery faster than you expect. A reliable battery charger becomes essential equipment for these cold months. After testing multiple chargers in real winter conditions, let's examine the top 5 car battery chargers that consistently deliver results when temperatures drop. Check the link below to find current prices and detailed specifications for each charger reviewed today. Starting our list at number 5 is the Ampeak battery charger. This versatile unit delivers an 8-stage charging program with 2 amps, 8 amps, and 15 amps options for both 6 volts and 12 volts batteries. When testing in cold conditions, it demonstrated impressive performance with its dedicated winter mode feature. This charger excels at maintaining batteries already in good condition. The microprocessor control system adjusts charging parameters based on temperature and battery condition. It handles multiple battery types, including AGM, GEL, and standard lead-acid batteries. Because of the advanced desulfation mode, it helps extend battery life even during long-term storage. And speaking of protection, it includes safeguards against common charging issues. You don't need to worry about overcharging or short circuits. Actually, the built-in temperature compensation ensures optimal charging rates in cold weather. If you're looking for a maintenance-focused charger, this unit delivers reliable performance. Features you may be interested in: 8-stage charging technology, dedicated winter mode, multi-battery type compatibility, automatic charging rate selection, 18-month warranty coverage. Moving on to our next contender. The YONHAN 10-amp charger brings impressive versatility with its dual voltage capability. This unit handles both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, making it particularly useful for owners of multiple vehicle types. When testing this charger, the LCD display proved extremely helpful in monitoring the charging process. The temperature compensation feature really stands out in winter conditions. It automatically adjusts the charging rate based on ambient temperature, preventing both overcharging in warm weather and undercharging in cold conditions. Because of its compact size, you don't sacrifice storage space for power, and the charging speed impressed us during testing. It's particularly effective at maintaining batteries through extended storage periods. If you're dealing with sulfated batteries, the built-in repair mode can help restore performance. You know what makes this charger special? Its ability to handle everything from cars to boats while maintaining safety protocols. Key features to consider: dual voltage compatibility, LCD status display, temperature compensation, 8-layer safety protection, multi-vehicle compatibility. Let's look at our third-place finisher. Taking the third position, the NEXPEAK NC201 offers a compelling combination of power and intelligence. This 10-amp charger includes both summer and winter modes, adapting to seasonal changes automatically. During cold weather testing, it demonstrated consistent performance across various battery types. The visualized charging display provides real-time information about charging status, voltage, and temperature. Because of its 7-stage charging process, it optimizes the charging cycle for different battery conditions. If you're storing vehicles during winter, the maintenance mode keeps batteries at peak condition, and the pulse repair technology impressed us during testing. It effectively addresses sulfation issues that commonly occur in batteries stored during cold months. Actually, the automatic temperature compensation ensures proper charging regardless of ambient conditions. You don't have to worry about complex settings. The plug-and-play design handles everything automatically. Notable features include 7-stage charging system, seasonal mode selection, large LCD display, high-efficiency pulse repair, 2-year warranty. Time for our runner-up. The Schumacher SC1281 earns its second-place position through sheer power and versatility. This robust unit delivers 100-amp engine start capability, perfect for emergencies in cold weather. When testing this charger, its ability to handle both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries proved invaluable. The microprocessor-controlled charging system automatically adjusts to battery conditions. Because of its multi-stage charging process, it optimizes the charge cycle for different battery types. If you're dealing with deeply discharged batteries, the 30-amp boost mode helps recover them quickly, and the built-in diagnostic testing sets this unit apart. It evaluates both battery and alternator condition, helping prevent unexpected failures. Actually, the automatic switching between charge and maintain modes ensures long-term battery health. You don't need to monitor the process. It handles everything automatically. Standout features include 100 amp engine start, advanced diagnostic testing, multi-stage charging, automatic maintenance mode, wide battery compatibility. Now for our top pick, the NOCO Genius 10 claims our top position as the best car battery charger for winter use. This compact powerhouse represents the perfect balance of advanced technology and user-friendly design. Its thermal detection system excels in cold weather operation, automatically adjusting charging parameters for optimal performance. This charger stands above competitors with its ability to recover deeply discharged batteries, even those down to 0 volts. The force mode allows manual intervention when needed, while the automatic operation handles routine charging tasks perfectly. Because of its versatility, it works with everything from cars to boats, including lithium batteries. The precision charging system truly impresses with its temperature compensation. If you're storing vehicles through winter, the maintenance mode keeps batteries ready for use. Actually, the advanced repair mode helps restore battery capacity, extending service life. You don't find this combination of features and reliability often in a single unit. Outstanding features include thermal detection system, 0-volt charging capability, universal battery compatibility, advanced repair mode, compact portable design. Each of these chargers offers unique advantages for winter battery maintenance. The NOCO Genius 10 leads the pack with its combination of advanced features and reliable performance in cold conditions. Remember to match your choice with your specific needs and vehicle types. Click the link below for current prices and to learn more about each charger. Subscribe to driveloop for more automotive accessory reviews and hit that notification bell to stay updated on future content. Leave a comment below with your experiences with these chargers.